Hey everyone, Erica here from Rick's Review Hub. Say goodbye to cleaning chores with the Roborock Saros 10R robot vacuum and mop. Grab it on Amazon using the link in the description for the best deal. This 3.14-inch slim robot vacuums and mops all floors with 22,000 pascals suction and a zero-tangle brush, perfect for pet hair. Its AI dodges over 100 obstacles, and the 10-in-1 dock auto-empties and washes mops. Pros: it's powerful, quiet at 52 decibels, and hands-free. Cons: it's pricey, needs 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and a big dock space. Great for pet owners and medium to large homes. Check Rick's Review Hub for the full review. Click the link below to buy, and if this helped, like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.